Hi, Curtis.
Hola.
Good, how are you?
Very good, you?
Very good, thank you.
Nice, excellent.
Do you live here?
No. I'm a real estate agent. I'm here
okay.
with my colleagues
Oh, okay.
Wow.
to check out this development and, if they decide to sell rather than rent, how best to market it and how to price it and all of that.
Wow,
Oh, okay.
nice.
Yes.
So are these private dwellings?
They
will be.
There's a person who developed these and built
Right.
these, and he's still deciding whether he wants to rent or to sell.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Aha,
Okay.
That's what we're
Cool.
Wow.
Cool.
working on. Have you seen one of the units?
No?
No, we haven't seen the units. No. Yeah.
So come on in.
All right.
Thank you.
What are your names?
I'm Brittany.
I'm Joe, and this is Brittany.
Joe and Brittany. I'm Bettina. Very
Bettina.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And these are Oliver and Louisa.
Hi.
Hi.
Joe and Brittany
Nice to meet you
have
too.
a YouTube channel.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Of their
Yeah.
of their travels. Why don't we just show them one of the units? Oliver and Louisa.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice to meet you guys.
Same.
Thank you.
I keep losing these. Sorry.
It smells new.
Well, it is.
Smells
It's not even finished.
I can smell. It's good. Wow. Beautiful deck out here.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice view.
So you mentioned that they may be for sale or they might be for rent.
He hasn't decided yet.
Right,
Okay.
but it's in between the
It's
two.
in between the two,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
I actually think this is a really nice option for somebody who lives here, maybe not year round.
Right.
Oh,
thank
and
you.
also as an investment,
Okay.
to rent them out. Because the price point will be compared with what else is out there. attractive.
Right.
So I think it's an investment. It's
Wow. Very
Okay.
nice. Yeah.
option.
We actually thought that these little units were going to be rented by people who wanted to maybe hit the spa, hit the bar, and stuff like that. But wrong
No,
impression.
It's the same owner of the hotel.
Right.
And these, but
Okay. Cool.
Wow,
Cool.
beautiful bathroom.
Yeah, so let's check it out. So how much is something like this going for? So the audience
we
can
haven't come
get an
up with
idea.
the price yet.
Oh, okay.
We're thinking 159,
Okay,
So-
159. Gotcha.
which is really
Good.
nice.
That's
That's
actually
great.
very good.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're not, living here year round, it's a nice getaway. Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely. You have the pool, there'll be a gym.
Yeah.
You can go to the hotel to have breakfast. If you have visitors, you put them up in the hotel.
Wow.
So it's,
Yeah.
That's
it's
great.
It's a very, very reasonable price for a getaway home.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow. Yeah. It's very nice.
and it'll come with a refrigerator, stacked washer dryer,
Wow. Nice.
furnished.
Great. That's
Okay,
Yes.
very cool. Glad we bumped into you. The weather here is great. The people are
Yeah.
nice.
I've been
Yeah.
here for 25 years. I
Wow.
love it.
Wow,
Yes.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
Excellent.
Where are you from? Can I ask?
Originally from Germany. I
Wow.
grew
Okay.
up in Berlin, in
Nice.
West Berlin, and then I lived in New York for 20 years.
Wow.
And then I moved here going on 25 years ago.
Wow,
Nice.
nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay,
Beautiful view here. Big
very
windows.
beautiful. For 160, I think it's really good.
You think so?
I think
So
so.
150 or 160?
60.
150 now, 160, yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's good, but I mean, considering where you are, I mean, you're in the middle of like paradise here.
Isn't this cool?
It is.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
Jeez, I mean, imagine waking up to this on your, well, even every day if you want to live here. I mean,
Yeah.
whatever you want it for.
Do you know what they're going to do with this area?
Yeah, they're going to clean all of this up, and
Yeah.
when I first saw the project, they hadn't done any of the landscaping.
Wow.
So they've done that now, and then they're going to get to this. I've already discussed that with them. We come back and visit to, see what things are interesting. I used to build myself, so I have a little bit of an idea.
Cool.
Nice. Oh, can I show the closets?
Sure.
So these are the closets. Not all places
space.
in Mexico come with closets, so
Yeah, that's the
we've
truth.
noticed that.
Very nice.
nice.
Good space,
Good. Very nice.
for sure. And now, are all these little homes, are they all different? For example, maybe one has 2 bedrooms, and another has 1, or?
all of the homes, so there are 3 different sizes.
Okay.
The smallest one is 71 square meters. The next size up is 93 square meters, and then there are 2 at 120 square meters.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, good. Good jump.
But they all have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, except in the smaller units, the second bedroom is sort of has its own bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's more like a television room office.
Okay.
Sort of pull-out couch if
Yeah.
you have somebody visiting.
Okay.
Wow.
Situation.
Nice.
Excellent.
This is a beautiful.
Air conditioning.
Yes, that's big.
Yes.
That is very big.
Very good.
Nice.
Very good. Gorgeous.
Very
yeah.
peaceful.
You're getting a really. We were reading that a lot of the people from Chapala and Ajijic actually like to come to this hotel just to get out of the
Yeah.
city.
Yeah.
Right.
If it's the case, you can have a place there, and
Yeah.
you can have a little place here, and it feels like you're in the country. You
Yeah.
know, you're not worried too much about noise over here.
If this place were to rent, how much do you think it would cost for the rent?
It's a good question.
I want to say 900. If this were in the village, it would rent for probably 1,300 or above that. 1,300. Yeah. But because it's far away,
Right.
you do need a car
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Although if you decided not to, the bus goes right by there.
Okay.
If you wanted to do it that way.
Okay.
It's good to know.
Yeah. And we're talking dollars.
$9.
Yes.
$900
okay.
a month.
Yeah, just want to specify because pesos, dollars.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, roughly I would say
Right.
900. I'm not in the rental business, so I'm
Okay.
not the correct person to ask. But
Okay.
that's what I would
Estimate.
Okay, yeah.
estimate.
Right.
Yes.
Wow.
Cool. It's funny because we've seen a lot of different homes, and sometimes the real estate agent, depending on who you're working with, they'll say something like, "Oh yeah, it's 120,000 pesos or something like that," because they're converting in their head, but they mean
Yeah.
dollars.
Yeah.
So that's why I was.
Okay,
Yeah.
always confirm.
beautiful.
Always confirm. Yeah.
Oh. Gracias. Wow.
Second bedroom.
Bigger closet than this one. Bathroom looks a little bigger, right?
Yeah. Very nice. It's beautiful.
Look at this. Again, you have the big closets.
Very, very beautiful.
You got these. You have these.
Yeah.
Very clean.
What are your thoughts if they were selling this for 160?
I think that's a great price. I mean, I think it's cheaper to buy than to rent for 900. I think if you were planning to have this for a while,
Right.
it would make more sense. It's a great place if you want to have like family over to visit. You want to go in the pool.
Yeah.
It is a good idea to have a car. So if you, like she said, you could take the bus.
Right.
You're probably not going to take the bus, honestly.
Yeah.
We've never been on the bus in Chapala, but it does look a little crowded from what we've seen because we've passed a lot of the Chapala buses. They look nice on the outside. If you're someone who has a car and you love the Chapala area, but maybe you can't afford the over $800,000 house type of house that we were showing you guys, or $300,000, and this might be in your price range. This is great.
Yeah, it's great. It's got an incredible view.
And they're going to clean up the outside, she said. So
Yeah.
keep in mind, when you look at that view, you might think, oh, it looks a little messy. They're going to clean it up.
Honestly, I thought it looked amazing. I mean,
mean-
I would love to wake up here.
You can have the pool. If you have extra people, let's say you got a lot of family coming in, you put them up in the hotel right over here.
It's got furniture.
It's got furniture.
I mean,
It's
look.
got this is a nice view. I mean, you can't really get this in most of the United States.
No, and this is not.
2 full bathrooms, by the way.
Yeah. I mean, look at the view. Look at the view. Keep
So
in
again,
mind.
this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom house.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 160. You're in the middle of this mountain, this beautiful mountain view. I mean, right now it's very peaceful and serene because there's no other neighbors. So keep in mind when the neighbors move in,
Yeah.
you'll have a neighbor over there. But hey, this is a beautiful country home.
Yeah.
You can be near
clean-
Chapala. You're like a 10-minute drive from Chapala,
From the Malecone.
from the Malecone, and you come here and you're in the nice quiet area.
Does the parking come with it too? Oh, the
No,
parking
the
spot?
parking is actually, so this is going to be like a resort style living.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do sound like a realtor, right? But the roads aren't just aren't wide enough
Okay.
to have, everybody have their
Right.
SUV here.
Right.
So there's parking for every house in front, and then there'll be golf carts.
Wow.
Yeah,
Golf
very
carts.
good.
Nice.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's-
Excellent.
Yes.
That's the life.
You've seen the golf carts.
I want a golf cart so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really do. Put some off-road tires on that thing.
Woo.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the idea. Good.
Yeah.
Thanks for your enthusiasm.
Yes.
Yeah.
If somebody does have bigger deliveries, you can drive up here, unload,
Right.
but then you park
Right.
in the parking lot.
Well, that's great. No street parking.
Exactly.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Thanks for
that's
showing
great.
us.
Yeah.
Of course.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we'd love to
So
take
nice
your
to meet you.
information.
Yes.
So nice to meet you
Yes,
too.
thank
Should I
you.
close this for you?
Yes, we do.
That is a pleasure.
Nice
Really.
meeting you,
It's a
Joe.
beautiful,
Same here.
beautiful house.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely something to think about.
Yeah, it's
And
nice.
they'll have a little administration office at the entrance.
Yeah.
If you have any
Yeah.
complaints or whatever, there's security.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's great.
It's just a really
Do-
nice place.
I think so.
Do you know they're gonna build a gym in this little?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, good,
That's
because
right there is going to be the gym.
oh,
Oh
good.
wow.
Right there.
Nice.
Excellent.
That's great.
That's fantastic. Because I was saying this is what this place needs. There's
Yeah.
no gym right now.
Yeah. And there's
Perfect.
a little clubhouse, swimming pool,
Nice.
showers, bathrooms.
Nice.
Do a little social hour and
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, you never have to leave. You got
Yeah.
everything here.
enjoy the rest
Thank
of your
you.
day.
Thank
Very
you.
nice
Thank you.
meeting you.
Same
Oh,
here.
before I forget, how many of these are there?
Oh,
There are
in total.
24 in total.
Okay.
Okay, very
24
good.
units.
For the same price, about the same layout.
Well, price is
No,
up in the
there
air.
are 3 different models.
Okay.
There are 12 of the smallest one,
Okay.
which I think this is one of the smallest one, right?
Okay.
Okay.
10 of the medium ones and 2 of the larger ones.
Okay.
Very good.
Excellent.
These are cute little houses. Someone like no, well, someone who has a car, this would be good for.
Yeah, this place is great over here.
I wonder if they will block off this pool for the hotel people and keep that other pool that they have open over there, and make this only for the community pool so that you don't have too many people.
Mm-hmm.
Should we go up there, see what that's about? I know what's up there is like a dead end.
Yeah, let's go travel. We might as well.
Look at this huge cactus you got up here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm glad we came over here
Yeah.
because, man, if we didn't, we would have missed out on that.
Yeah. Look at
Look
this.
at that cactus.
Beautiful cactus.
Huge. I love golf carts.
Yeah. That's great. But we're right near the highway and you can't take it on the highway, so I guess you would just take the golf cart around the community? Where would you drive
Yes.
it? Beautiful. Look at that house up there. So beautiful.
Great view.
Wow.
Very, very nice.
Oh, there's another couple. It's great. Look at these beautiful trees. They're really gonna make this nicer.
Yeah. Imagine living here.
With the gym.
Yeah, if it had a
Yeah,
gym.
they put that's gonna be the gym. It's gonna be small, but
That guy has a crow on his shoulder. It's wild.
yeah.
Yeah, like once this is done, it's gonna be great.
It's a great price.
If the, I mean, that I think was an estimate of a price.
Gym, this is gonna be the gym. Look at this. I wonder if they can give us a. It's kind of like in Querétaro, how they had the clubhouse and the
Right,
gym.
right. Except this is much nicer.
You like it
And
better?
the street. Are you kidding me? Of
Well,
course
I
I
mean,
like
it's
this
not a
better.
rooftop view, but it is still a nice view.
I don't need a rooftop view. You have that.
Yes, that's true.
You have that right there.
Yeah.
You can live practically in that.
You can live here, and then you have what is that going to be? The clubhouse?
Yeah.
So like the community, maybe like a game room.
Yeah.
And then you have your friends here.
She reminded me. This place reminds me of. Man, too bad you couldn't see that place, right?
Wow,
But
looks nice.
this place reminded me of where we saw in Pátzcuaro.
Mm-hmm.
But except this is just much more beautiful.
Yeah, and I mean that price in this area is very good.
Psh, ridiculously good. You're not getting a lot, but really you're buying the piece. That's what you're buying.
Getting that nice balcony.
Yeah, you're getting there might be HOAs.
I don't know. She didn't say that. We could.
Yeah, she might have just forgot.
Yeah.
We would have to inquire, but hey, I mean,
You're getting parking.
Yeah, you're getting parking. You're living in this beautiful community. You have a pool. You're going to have a gym. You're going to have quiet and peace. You're going to be living in the mountains in Chapala, Ajijic area.
You get a golf. You said we get the golf cart.
You get the golf cart to like float around in here. So the owner of the hotel is the one who owns that.
I wonder if this would be like parking. I don't know.
The
Oh, no,
parking,
is-
I
don't know.
think, yeah,
Yes.
maybe, but
Parking?
I know for sure there, that's the parking.
Okay. Oh yeah,
That-
we get several spots here. You can see
Right,
that.
right. Now it's all coming together because
Yeah.
we were like speculating before.
Yeah.
So that means they're probably renting this thing.
Maybe it's beautiful.
Maybe,
Yeah,
unless
try
that's
that.
reception or something. I don't know. It's beautiful. Get out, man.
Nice guest house.